Hello my friends, I have another template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This template you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Davinci Resolve, drag and drop two pictures like this. Press in the middle, scroll back 2 seconds, cut the pictures like this, and join them in one new Fusion clip like this. Click on Fusion. Once in Fusion, delete the merge because you don't need it. Click Arrange Tools to the grid. Move this a little bit behind. Go in Templates and folder where you extracted the file. I have here in Transitions, just drag and drop transition star number 1, connect to the media out, media in to the green arrow, media in to the yellow arrow, and you will get the star. Animation is finished. You don't need to do anything. If you want to edit, you ungroup like this, move this a little bit out, and here you will get the star in this polygon tools, in this background, and inside this merge. To change the color, you go inside these backgrounds, just click and change the color. If you wish to add some effects, you can shadow like this, and then copy and paste after the background like this, every background, and after this merge here, and then you will get the star with the shadow revealing the picture underneath. For the other ones, you just delete, disconnect, drag and drop, connect to the green arrow, connect to the yellow arrow, connect to the media out, and now you have the blue one. Same thing with the green one, just drag and drop, connect, and now you have the green star. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.